The question about why artificial intelligence is relevant for irrespective of the profession you are, whether you want to become a lawyer or doctor or an engineer, is one of the most pressing questions of our recent times. And I'll give you an answer in 3 steps. First of all, AI or artificial intelligence is a fundamental technology like internet. All these people, all these professions are using internet and will continue to use that, and artificial intelligence will exactly go the same way. Second, if you're studying to become a lawyer, and if you ask any successful lawyer today how they became successful not only because they studied law, but they also learned how to work with other people. And in artificial intelligence world, it will be the same. People will become successful because of their trade skills. They would have to work with people, but now we would also have to learn how to work with machines and algorithms. And last, and the most important thing, ignoring artificial technology would be like going back to the 19th century and saying, I don't care about the steam engine because I'm not a coal miner. So this technology is too big, too fundamental for it to be ignored for any profession. And I think it's a myth that it's only for engineers or programmers. I think our fundamental, where we are seeing success working with a lot of customers, is where companies and institutions are starting small. And by starting small, I mean not only small projects. By that I mean all of us individually have to start small. We have to see that we are going through let's say a transformational shift, a platform shift. We see that a lot on the slides, but I think we need to, as individuals, need to do a deep dive within ourselves. What does it mean? And that means a massive re-upskilling for all of us, irrespective of where you work. A technology company or a very successful bank like Berenberg, we all need to first upskill. It starts with us. We need to upskill ourselves. Second, then we also need to understand what kind of business expectations my company has for me, and then look into where I can apply artificial intelligence. Because once we have upskilled ourselves, those ideas will come to us very naturally. Let me make it very concrete, like what Berenberg is doing with Google right now and rolling out Gemini Enterprise. This is exactly the right thing to do, because now Berenberg has democratized AI within the bank. Employees have access to it, and I just saw the number of agents employees have built for themselves, and this is exactly the right thing, starting small and then taking it step by step bigger. So I think Berenberg is definitely on a very good path and leading the banking industry in Germany and DACH, so very proud of that. I would say turn artificial intelligence, AI, into another AI, and that AI should be called augmented intelligence. We need to turn AI into our superpowers, and that will guarantee success for all the people, irrespective of we are starting our career or in the middle of the career. And that will be one simple short advice for all the people. Yeah.